The Pfaff Quilt Expression 720 has what is called an Integrated Dual Feed, or IDT. This little part down here comes down and sits in between the feed dogs, and it's like having an extra set of feed dogs on the top of your fabric. So when you go to sew, it evenly pulls the fabric in from not only underneath the foot, but also on top of the fabric. So your machine will even tell you when you should have that engaged. There's a little symbol on the front of the machine. Now, not all feet have the opening for this foot, but I do use it for whenever I'm working on knit fabrics or slippery fabrics or working with batting. You do need to have a foot that has that little notch, the cutout at the back of the foot. For example, this foot, the 2A foot, does not have it. So make sure you don't try to put this foot on with that IDT pulled down. Well, you can get it on, it just won't work at all. So to disengage it, pull down and away from you. It'll just sit kind of hanging out where you need it, and you can attach your feet. But if you do put a foot on with that opening, make sure that you fill that in. Otherwise, it's a little kind of loosey-goosey when you're sewing. It's like you're not getting all the potential feeding options because you have that big open space. So if you put on a regular foot, make sure you pull down the IDT to engage it.